This course on carbon credit and accounting is designed to equip professionals with an in-depth understanding of the carbon credit ecosystem and its practical applications in today's climate-conscious economy. Learners will gain clarity on the carbon credits are not randomly issued. They are generated through verified projects that actively reduce or remove greenhouse gas emissions from the atmosphere. These projects can take several forms, each contributing to emission reduction.